In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the announcement bar in Shopify. The announcement bar is that slim banner at the very top of your online store. It's a great place to highlight things like free shipping, discount codes, or important updates. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it in your Shopify admin and how to change the text and link step by step. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin home, where you can see your orders, products, and all your store settings. From here, we want to move into the area where you control how your store looks. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find the online store section and click on it, then choose Themes. This is where your active theme lives. Next, click on the button that says Customize or Edit Theme, depending on the label you see. This opens the theme editor, which gives you a live preview of your store on the right and a list of sections on the left. In that left-hand column, look for the header section. Inside the header, you should see an option labeled Announcement Bar or something very similar. Go ahead and click on that. If your theme supports multiple announcement bars or multiple blocks, you'll see them listed here. Now, move your cursor over to the preview on the right and click directly on the announcement banner at the top of the page. Clicking on it in the preview will also highlight the matching block in the left panel, so you know you're editing the correct one. With the announcement bar selected, you'll see a text field where you can edit the message. Click into that text field and type in the announcement you want to show to your customers. Keep it short and clear so it fits nicely on one line. For example, free shipping on orders over a certain amount, or new collection out now. Just below the text field, you'll see a link field. Click into this if you want your announcement bar to send people to a specific page, like a collection, a product, or a promo page. You can add a link, change it, or clear it out completely if you prefer the banner to just be informational and not clickable. Once you're happy with the text and the link, don't forget the final step. Click on the Save button in the top right corner of the theme editor. Wait a moment for the changes to save, then refresh your storefront to confirm that your new announcement